Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour of the construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. We are in Bull Bay in St. Andrew, Jamaica. And we're going to take a look at the progress to see how far the construction has reached with the highway. So to give you an idea of where we are, this highway is going to run from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. In Port Antonio, the Southern Coastal Highway will meet the Northern Coastal Highway, and the Northern Coastal Highway will run from Port Antonio to Negril. It actually is up and running already, and it's going to be expanded. So, just to give you an idea of the entire project, from Kingston to Port Antonio, you're going to drive on the Southern Coastal Highway, and that road is being built now, and that's where we're going to tour today. And then from Port Antonio to Negril, you have the Northern Coastal Highway. So the entire coast of Jamaica from Kingston to Negril is going to have a highway on it. And phase 2 of the Southern Coastal Highway is to build a highway along the coast from Negril to Manchester. So the entire island of Jamaica is going to be covered by a highway running along the coast. Alright, so let's focus now on this section of the highway. This is a Southern Coastal Highway project. This is to build 110 kilometers of highway quality road from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. So the highway is being built in phases. So phase 1A is to build the road, a 4-lane dual carriage highway from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. So that is where we are today, looking at section 1A. Now, let's go through the alignment of the highway. From the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. So the existing roadway is going to be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So that is where we are today. We are in Bull Bay. So this is the section of the road. This is the main road that's being expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So if you see the road, 2 lanes, that's the existing road. And then to the right, you see a new road being built. So that is to expand this roadway from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So let's continue. We are heading towards 11 miles in Bull Bay. But let's just go through the alignment so we're all on the same page. Section 1A now, which is from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge. From the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway, and that roadway is going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. At 11 miles Bull Bay to the Sun Coast Adventure Park, a new road has been built, which is 4 lanes. And then from the Sun Coast Adventure Park to just outside the Grandstand area, the road is going to run along the existing roadway, and it will be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And then from just that area just outside Grandstand to Albion, a new road has been built that will bypass the Grandstand area. And then from Albion to the Yallow's Bridge, it runs along the existing roadway, which is being expanded to 4 lanes. Alright, so this is the section we're at now, is the section from the Harborview Bridge to 11 miles in Bull Bay. And this section, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway, and that roadway is going to be expanded to 4 lanes. So the construction you see going on the right is the expanding of the highway to 4 lanes. Sometimes the roadway on the right will be expanded, sometimes the roadway on the left. So right here now, not sure what's going on, but it looks like that structure, I don't know if they're going to remove that structure or the highway is going to, I don't see how you could fit 4 lanes right here though. Not sure, but wow, Looks like those houses on the right are still under construction. It would be a shame if... No, I don't think they're going to be removed, because this concrete wall to the right is a new wall that went up. So it looks like the highway is going to be expanded to the left of the road on this side. And this highway is a game changer for this side of the island. Never before have they seen anything close to this kind of road. Okay, there you can see a truck dumping some marl, because that's where the new lanes are going to be, or the expanded lanes, I should say. So what they'll do is they'll finish the lanes to the right, and then the cars will drive along those 2 lanes while they work on the lanes that we're on now. And then at the end of the day, they will open all 4 lanes. So of course you don't need to ask who the contractor is. It's China Harbour Engineering Company. They are the main contractor for this project. They are in charge of the entire thing. However, the government stipulated that local subcontractors should be used on this project, and so some parts have local contractors working on it, but the main contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. They get all the major roadwork projects in Jamaica. We actually have a video up about how China Harbour Engineering Company started in Jamaica. Very interesting video. I would recommend that you watch it. Also watch the video on the building of Highway 2000. I mean, that was a remarkable highway that was built, and what the government of the day, in particular the former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson, did was very instrumental in getting that highway built. It was actually said at the opening by a member of the opposition that if it was not for Mr. Patterson's leadership, they don't think that highway would have been built. However, that was the first major highway that was built, and Jamaica has built so many highways since then, and it has gotten to the point now where the government of Jamaica is actually funding this highway that we're on, the Southern Coastal Highway. So it's not a toll road. There's no foreign investment, maybe a loan, but no toll will be charged for this road. Highway 2000 was built by a foreign company, and they charge toll to recoup the cost of building the highway. This highway is being funded by the Jamaican government. So it's not a toll road. And the Northern Coastal Highway is not a toll road either. But that's a very interesting video, and I would recommend you watch it. Alright, so there you can see the new lanes being constructed on the right. Now if you notice here, there is a police station in the path of the highway. So a new police station is actually being built, and when that new one is constructed, this one will be demolished because it's in the path of the highway. Alright, so we're now coming up to 11 miles in Bull Bay, and you can see on the right the new lanes being built for the highway. It's a new bridge coming up on the right. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, have a good day.